What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss the top best 5 products according to their budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Best overall, MacBook Pro 14-inch. This is widely used for video editing as it is very effective in producing and showing results with its brand name. The product has several ports for working while removing the touch bar usage. The main feature is the M1 Pro chip, where its power can compete against most laptops with AMD and Intel-powered systems. Coming to the LED screen, it's extraordinary to expect from Apple that even the slightest difference is made with precision above another level. As for its audio, it's competent. Most people would not expect it with the size difference. But even with that, it has sound, which is not expected in this product. Its 14-inch has 6 top-firing speakers that deliver loud, balanced audio that quickly fills your surrounding. It has made the keyboard experience far better than previous models. As it is comfortable for long-hour usage, it's perfect for content creators as well. Apple specializes in the old with the new in creating far better laptops and remains at the top with its uniqueness. Best 17-inch, Dell XPS 179720. This laptop is leagues above the rest with its exceptional build quality. It is a perfect choice for people who need more power in doing the work, as its performance can match without any issue. With the fewer bezels of the device, its look and design match the modern type of laptop. It is equipped with a 17-inch 4K display. You're getting 3840 by 2400 pixels to play with, and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio that many claims offer better productivity benefits than the traditional 6:9 format. It is actually one of the few laptops offering total Adobe RGB coverage panels. Hence, the gaming performance of the RTX 3050 is decent, but the native 4K resolution is too demanding in most cases. For better performance, Dell uses the cooling features such as a vapor chamber and the special Gore heat insulation for less heat in the XPS 17 model. The largest problem is performance. While the new Intel processor offers decent performance values, it doesn't bring any significant advantages under constant load compared to the predecessor. Best style, RazerBook 13. It would seem like a Blade Stealth rebranded for professionals and productivity, still with its new chassis and a 16 by 10 form factor that is not found in the Blade series. Comparing the Blade series with the RazerBook, its look and size are about the same, and it would be challenging to know which is which if kept together. The primary purpose of the RazerBook 13 series is to make it a separate brand from the Blade series and focus on the current one for professionals. It is already one of the smallest 13-inch laptops on the market. It comes with a quad-core Intel Tiger Lake Core i7 1165 G7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, similar to the late 2020 Razer Blade Stealth. The significant difference between the models is the lack of dedicated GPU. The time taken to charge from an empty battery to full capacity takes around 1.5 hours, with the included AC adapter. The hinge of the laptop is very sturdy, with premium quality. If you like Razer products and want something you plan on using for everyday daily tasks, this is an excellent choice. Best dual screen, ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX 482. ASUS has come far with its dual-screen laptop, as it's getting more dynamic and unique from its previous product. The current model has a dual-screen 15-inch 4K OLED panel and a smaller OLED screen below the keyboard. The big question is, does it reach a particular stage where the consumers need more of these dual-screen laptops? Well, in some areas it can be said the product can be used for most people who are in the area of content creation or in the editing field, as it's a great product to have, as this brings a lot to the table with powerful specs for those who need them. The second screen adds an alternative feature for less hassle-free usage, even if the price is slightly high. Best pull-forward screen, Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. This is a new design from Microsoft that complements the regular Surface laptop. Microsoft uses this type of hinge for the new Surface Laptop Studio. The device is a traditional type of laptop with an extra hinge in the middle of the screen, meaning you can tilt the screen forwards in 2 positions. One position in front of the keyboard, or you can put it down onto the keyboard and use the Surface Laptop Studio as a tablet. The bezels are rounded like the rest of the case, so the contents in the display corners are slightly cut off. With its foldable display, this is supposed to replace the old Surface Book, and the overall impression is good. The build quality and the materials are top-notch, components is solid, and the device does not show any major flaws in the display or speakers either. The folding mechanism also leaves a solid impression, but how it will hold up over the years remains to be seen. The so-called presentation mode could be better since it covers the whole keyboard.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.